Come to me and I shall give you peace. Come to me, lay down your head. Touch the rain and feel the summer breeze. Say the things we've never said. I'll keep you from the world outside. I will never let you go. I'll be the thing you dream about. Come to me and you will know. I told you before I laid my eyes on you. Not no pressure, I just can't take my eyes off you.
Welcome to TheFear 2.0. I'm incredibly excited that I get the opportunity to work with you. My name is Justin Quinton, and man, we're gonna have some fun. We are gonna have some fun. I am incredibly honored that I get the chance to mentor you through this, to coach you through this, hold your hand through the process, because this is going to be absolutely transformative for you. I cannot describe to you the intense degree of change you're going to feel and the amount of confidence and self-esteem that you're going to get from this program. I'm super excited to actually get through this. So let's see what we got. What's on the menu, all right? Let's dive right on in. So this is what you can expect. You probably noticed that there are 7 different stages, all right? Each stage is going to have an audio file, and then it's also going to have a video challenge. I want you to go through the audio file first and then go through the video challenge. You'll notice the challenge is actually in the audio, but the video really allows me to re-motivate you, right? Really get you ready for action. So the best way for you to go through this is to listen to the audio and then go into the video and then take action, do the actual challenge before going on to the next one. I know you're gonna be tempted. You're gonna be tempted to jump ahead, but make sure you do this, all right? I'm gonna do my part. I'm gonna give you all the tools and strategies you need to actually get some serious results here, but you gotta do your end. You gotta commit and you gotta take action, all right? And I'm gonna push you. Oh, I'm gonna push you. But we're gonna have some fun together. This is gonna be absolutely unbelievably transformative for you, so I'm very excited to get started. Now, you'll also notice I attached the PDF book. Some people prefer to read instead of listen, so I gave that as an option too. Use whatever works best for you. I've personally found that the audiobook is real nice because you can actually go through and listen to me passively, right? Whether you're on the, on your way to work or on your way to school, whatever you may be, it's something you can listen to. It's only about 20 minutes per session, and then you can do the video challenge. Let's get started. Let's get you some results. I'll see you on the other side.